welcome to Ride Review. Today we're taking a look at something that blends adventure with comfort, the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome. If you love hitting the road but don't want to compromise on the comforts of home, this could be the perfect vehicle for you. Kia has taken the camper van concept and really elevated it. From the outside, the sleek and modern design is eye-catching, and it doesn't look as bulky as some of the other camper vans out there. It's compact yet spacious, offering an ideal balance for maneuverability and comfort. The front grille carries Kia's signature look, and the body's clean lines give it a streamlined feel. Under the hood, you're looking at a hybrid engine, giving you both power and fuel efficiency. It's got enough muscle to handle long road trips or steep inclines, but it's efficient enough to save you some serious cash at the pump. Plus, it comes with all-wheel drive, ensuring great traction and stability, whether you're on the highway or exploring rugged backroads. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed into a cozy yet functional living space. Kia's maximized every inch, providing room for a kitchenette, a convertible bed, and even a small bathroom. Everything feels premium, from the soft-touch materials on the dash to the durable, easy-to-clean surfaces in the back. This van is built to last and to make your road trip experience as comfortable as possible. The tech package is impressive too. You've got a large touchscreen interface that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. It also integrates seamlessly with your smartphone for hands-free calls, music streaming, and more. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging pads ensure your devices stay powered up during those long drives. Safety, Kia's got you covered. The 2025 Camper Van Motorhome is loaded with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These features make long road trips more relaxing and safer. Now, here's the final change for today. Every day, we'll be giving you updates on the coolest new features of this camper van, so stay tuned for more. As for the price, the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome starts at around $72,000, making it a solid choice for those who want a blend of comfort, style, and utility without breaking the bank. That's it for today's review. Make sure to subscribe to Ride Review for more updates, and we'll catch you on the next one.